How to use Apollo.io for email marketing in 2024, a tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, and today we're diving into the world of email marketing using Apollo.io. Apollo.io is this powerful tool that can help you streamline your email campaigns, engage your audience, and achieve better results for your businesses. So let's get started by signing up for free. I'm going to head over to this website, Apollo.io, and click on sign up for free. So these are the first things first for us to sign up for an account on Apollo.io. And once we've done that, we're going to go navigate to the dashboard. So let's start by entering our work email. You can do that, or you can just simply sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your Microsoft account as well. Let's start by going over with the Google account because it's easier that way. Could agree to the terms and conditions. And here we're going to be redirected to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, but before we get in there, this is the onboarding welcoming video. You can continue on, watch this, or you can just simply skip it. So this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. It's the landing dashboard. What we can do at Apollo.io is to find, email, call, and even close many more leads with a robust B2B database and end-to-end sales performance. It's basically like an introductory idea of what this is. By watching these videos, for the recommended setup, how to save and start your ideal leads. You also earn credits by watching these. You can create a sequence to test, learn, and optimize outbound campaigns. Add contacts to the sequence to target the right audience. Activate your sequence to start sending emails. Download the Chrome extension as well. That earns you about 10 credits. You can choose to do all of these, and you'll also access a mobile number without any guesswork required. But you can just choose to skip, and I'm going to skip it for now for the sake of this video, and we'll just head over to the dashboard. And basically this is how you get about 100 credits to unlimited credits. But as of now, this is for the free trial, so we have a pretty limited amount of credits that we have. Let's go. So this is how the dashboard looks like. On the top right hand side is my profile, my settings, notifications, calls, as well as integrations right here. But we'll go head over to home. And this is the control center in the house. This is the data health center. This is the onboarding hub as well. And over the place of the contacts where we went over to, this is our queue. This is exploring Apollo and the area that we currently have about only 10 credits, but we can earn these credits by starting up our setup, searching for the leads. And first things first, let's create and search for leads. This is where we save our contacts, import them, and creating our targeted lists. Instead of navigating directly to the contacts here, what we did is we just simply clicked on creating leads, and we made sure that we can import our contacts directly or manually add them. If I click on import contacts right here, I can import just one contact or bulk import them from CSV files. I can choose a different layout that I want to see my contacts in. Currently I have 0. And I can simply add in another person right here. I can add in filters that I want. Next up, we are going to head over to creation and email templates. For that, we're going to head over to the campaign section once again. Let's move back to the campaigns. And as of now, we have about 0 emails delivered. We can start by delivering our emails. Okay, let's move on to the deal section right here. Into the deal sections is where we can create conversations and, sign in a campaign to have a consolidated deal. Let's get started with it. One great thing about Apollo is that you can also use Apollo as your CRM and sync it up with HubSpot as well as Salesforce. Let's get started. So to start creating our pipeline, you can either import your, information from CRM, or you can use Apollo as your CRM. We're going to continue by using Apollo as our main CRM and continue with it. CRM is basically customer relationship management, and this is like the pipeline one, and here we are creating the lead. The lead could be in the open stage and still qualified, contracts, and these are the stages of a lead. These are already preset. You can of course change that up by going into your settings, and you can just simply click on finish setup. And let's just start by creating a deal. Now to start a deal, this deal could select it or create an account or add another account, select the pipeline one and select the deal stage. This one is a lead and estimated close date. You can have a close date. Let's just keep it for a week. Right now, the amount could be 100, 1,000, and we just simply click on save. And we've simply created a deal, and this is the one. We can also add in contacts to the deal so we can automatically track the calls, conversations, and emails, and also assign this task to somebody else. Now, this is the deal fields, the source, budget, economic buyer or not. All these activities will be, updated as soon as the deal reaches from the lead stage to the another stage. Now, you can click on log activity by logging in a call or by logging in a note or adding a conversation that happens depending upon this deal. Likewise, you can simply just add in more deals and create more leads for any specific deal that you're working on with your business. Now, let's move on to conversations. Here is where you can set up your conversations and speak and interact with your team members. You can integrate Zoom, Teams, as well as Google Meetings, and you can just simply click on set up conversations right now. You can set it up as of now by connecting any of the three platforms, or you can move out with see conversations in action to see how they actually work, to have a summary of how this all works. You can save this by having your AI generate a summary that highlights the outcomes and actions, items, and much more all in one space. So you don't have to go over and work with various different platforms or softwares for one thing and another or for communication. All of it can be done at Apollo.io. You also have a draft follow-up email. Then there's these trackers, which helps you track, your objectives and your tasks. Now, let's get with it. This is push to CRM. This you can use to sync the summary to Salesforce using Salesforce. And here are the key topics that you're currently working on. You can have the call details that you have worked on with just for a sample. These are like the calls to Scott Skinner, could be one of your clients. This is a call to this company. And here's like a summary of what happened. The AI basically generated it and transcribed it as like a summary, so you have it in written form, which is super cool. And then there's the key topics about what happened and whatnot. If it's busy, if it's unfortunately, what sort of engagement was used, did it qualify, or how do you analyze it and whatnot. Now this is the transcript to the call right here, and these are like the final comments that you can add on to it. Let's move back onto the homepage and explore the other aspects. This is the aspect of enrich, where you get complete up-to-date records and analysis of everything that you worked on. This is CRM enrichment, where you can update your records from your CRM. This is API enrichment. Use our API to, you're going to use Apollo's API to enrich records programmatically. This is job change alerts to see if any of your contacts have changed your jobs. This is CSV enrichment and all that. Let's look over that. And before let's go over that, let's have an overview of it first. So this way you keep your CRM updated. Let's try this feature out. Here you can connect Salesforce or you can connect HubSpot as well and basically have an entire idea of CSV enrichment, API enrichment, job change alerts as well. Let's move on to plays now. And this is the way to get more done effectively. And here's where they offer you a lot of play templates where we can use various different automations and do all these repetitive tasks. Let's see and look into, like, for example, this is one, create a task to reach out, and this one's for when, this is to end the sequence for outdated contacts, is to call when email is opened or clicked. Like, you get the AI automation to do that on their own so you don't waste your time and you can do something productive about your time. Let's look and explore the multiple different templates they offer. This one is to ask happy customers for referrals, to ask customers for review. Let's try this one out because, of course, we need reviews and every business thrives on reviews. When you get your reviews, you have an idea of how your customers liking your service and what you can do to better yourself and your services that you offer. So let's create this one. You basically enter up all the details and simply click on save changes. You can ask it to take these actions when and how, and that's it. You simply save this automation and add in. Now, always ensure that your templates are personalized and engaging to capture your audience's attention. You have to enter the basic detail like add the contacts to sequence, add contacts list and whatnot, so on and so forth. You can select it right here. I don't have any contacts as of now, but you can do that easily if you have them. And let's move on to another aspect, which is to personalization and segmentation and A/B testing. You can, customize your emails using personalization tokens and segmentation, where, your audience is up for more targeted communication. Let's explore that. And let's go on to sequences, where we can create a sequence using AI, or you can simply create it using manually from scratch, which is AI assisted, pre-formatted, and this from scratch. We can look one that is from pre-formatted, so we have a little bit of help on our fingertips. So this is an automatic email. You can choose to set this one up. This is stage-based targeting at risk customers. This has like 4-step ones to automatic email on day 7, 4, and 10th. You can create and customize this one, or you can stage-based close, lost, or win back. Or this one is to have a book meeting link. We can just simply work with this. You can create and customize it. So we're creating an email. This where on the A section A, you'll have to insert the company's name, and you can have this scheduled right here. Like I did here, this is a cold calling outreaching email where I'll enter the company's name and the product, what we offer, and right here is the pain point, what the value you propose to them, the call to action, the context to include. Basically, they're giving you these one-liners so you have an idea of what you want to insert in here to make your email really effective, so it hits the right spot that it wants to, like to add the main problem that your target customer experiences. You simply click on generate, and you can send a test email to yourself. So this way you personalize your emails and your segmentations to your audience, having a very direct communication with them, and this optimizes your campaigns for better engagement as well. So guys, as we wrap up, remember to analyze this data and adjust your future campaigns accordingly. Email marketing is an evolving landscape, and by using Apollo.io effectively, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve your marketing goals. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video, and I hope this video helps. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.